Okay, let's philosophically challenge Big Bang theory. Why it needs to challenge Big Bang theory? Because this will help to visualize how the time is flowing in our universe. We have past, present, and future. But time in reality have two past, two present, and two future. One past and present is present of copying. Each second we copy ourselves, and other past and present. This is the time flow which create light. Time flow which create light. Yeah, and Big Bang theory is very helpful to visualize how this light create its own time. Light time is flowing with disbalance in 90 degrees to our time. Our time is different. Light time is different, and our time is different. And time of gravitation is different as well. Time of gravitation flowing different when if to compare to our time and to compare to the light. Light and gravitation, they have disbalance 180 degree. They have disbalance 180 degree, and that's why light don't see gravitation and gravitation don't see light. Okay, let's see how Big Bang can help to understand how time is flowing in our universe. So the Big Bang theory says that 14 billion years ago, the beginning began and Big Bang, and after inflation, everywhere inflation, such rapid inflation, soup from particle, everything, and then was Earth created, and then bacteria, fish, lizards, mouses become bears, and mouses become people. Yeah, this is position of physics department. They say this like this. Big Bang theory. Yeah, and okay, what is problem with this theory? The Big Bang starting from the point of the beginning, which is singularity. Singularity, and then from this point it expand in all directions. Expand in all directions. Expand more. But time is flowing different. Time is not flowing from one dot and expanding in all directions. This is expansion like this. This is light expansion. This is time how flowing light. Light from one top point expand in all directions. This is light. But we are different. Our time is flowing different. Our time is flowing from the past into present. Big Bang time from point of singularity in all directions, but our past coming from all everywhere into one dot, and this dot is on Earth. We look here, we see this past is coming from this direction. We look in here, and we see that past is coming from this direction. For example, if Big Bang, it's very simple to realize that Big Bang starting somewhere here, for example, yeah? And this expand in all directions, and we would see this point where is Big Bang. We would see that this was point of the past, and this Big Bang expand from here. But we have expansion from all the dots. Big Bang time of Big Bang is in different direction. This have disbalance, same as light. Light exactly the same. It's expand in all direction. A Big Bang exactly the same. And we can see light coming from the past to the camera. Light coming from the past. And if light be here, exactly the same. This light coming from the past. And if Big Bang expands the same as light, time, the past coming different. For example, for the light, past of the light would be in this dot, and this light past would be in this dot. But our past is from here, it's opposite direction, from here, from all the sides, from the ceiling it coming our past from all the other sides. It looks like we have different time flow as light. Is it possible to see Big Bang can come only for a very short period of time, with his time which running in opposite direction to time flow in our universe? It can come only for very short period of time, because our universe will push this Big Bang back where it coming from. It not possible for Big Bang from with his past, which is just a small dot, to come into contradiction with our universe, which coming in opposite time, which coming in opposite direction from all the possible sides of the universe. And to compare Big Bang with our universe, it's not possible to compare, because our universe, nobody know how far our universe coming, for how long time our universe is existing. Maybe we in a very micro world, and there is infinite amount of macro worlds on the top from all direction coming, and all this massive pressure will, maybe Big Bang find somewhere amount of energy to burn, but after Big Bang will meet with our universe, this would be big tragedy for Big Bang. So it will be pushed back with our universe where it coming from. There is no chance for Big Bang to survive with the battle of our universe. This is like if something small will come into massive water flow and will starting to struggle with the water.